Hello everyone and welcome to my gluten-free channel. Today my video is a little bit special because I celebrated a birthday during the weekend, and because this birthday represents for me the start of fall, I thought I would bring you with me in my fall and apple themed birthday preparations. I hope it will inspire you to cozy up your home and your gluten-free recipes, of course. Let's jump into it. I always start with petting my cat, eating something, and drinking some tea. It's always something I do. I never start without eating and drinking. Plus, it's fall, so we have the excuse. Oh, by the way, and my cat hates when I move things around, so she's quite anxious right now. What I do is I bring all my home fall decor into my living room, a lot of blankets and pillows, and I start to change my pillows. I've made these pillowcases, so what I do is I take the two small pillows I use for summer. Of course, I clean them before, and then I put them into the big pillowcases, so it saves a lot of space. Then I put, of course, some blankets. This is a beautiful blanket my parents sent me from France. It's real wool, very beautiful one. And I put all my wooden tray because I love wooden trays. Then I start to decorate. So what I like to do is, oops, I broke my pair of scissors. So what I like to do is going to the field behind my house and get some beautiful dried plants and herbs and put them into jars. I have also 3 little pieces of corn I dried up and I put with some real decor, like the pine cones, they're real. And then what I like to do is to change a little bit the dining room settings. By the way, this is not a pipe, this is a mate straw. I obviously eat in the meanwhile because it's apple themed day, you know. And then I prepared a table because we're gonna be 4. So these are placemats I made from felt. I cut them myself and it was pretty hard. And I like to combine them with white dishes because white dishes is so beautiful when you put colorful food inside. Then for the living room, I add a big piece of wood I brought from Veracruz and some more blankets because I love blankets. I want my home to be cozy. I installed some more decoration and we are done. Of course, who's watching? My beautiful threaded reindeer. I like home decor to be Scandinavian, so the reindeer is, of course, a must. Now let's do some baking. So for a fall themed and apple themed day, I thought I would do some apple granola, apple and pumpkin seeds. I thought it would be very full. This is my granola formula. I have a link down below so you can download it from my drive. I really love this granola. It's very full themed. I learned to bake granola after a month thinking about it, and it's actually very easy. So I'm gonna put my granola video. It's summer granola, but it's the same formula. I always do the same formula. Of course, starting to bake means having a warm home, which is also awesome, and it smells like granola everywhere. I add some cranberries and raisins. Well, actually, here there are mostly raisins. And this is perfect. Now let's go with the birthday cake. I'm gonna make a cheesecake, a double apple cinnamon vegan caramel cheesecake. The crust is vegan, the caramel is vegan, but the inside is not vegan because I changed the recipe. Of course, you know, I always love to change the recipe. So I made my crust. This was pretty easy. It's made with flax egg. And then I pushed my crust in the bottom of the pan. Here I'm doing a mix with apple and cornstarch and some lemon. There is very, very little sugar in this recipe, which I love. Oh, and by the way, this was powdered garlic. I was about to throw powdered garlic in there. I thought it was ginger. So this is my crust, and this is this beautiful, beautiful apple kind of marmalade. It's not really marmalade, but it has the consistency. This cheesecake is quite long because it has 2 layers of apples and it has to stay 12 hours in the fridge. But wow, wow, wow. The result is so amazing that it is totally worth it. So I pour my vegan caramel on the top and happy birthday. This is, I think, the most beautiful and delicious birthday cake I've ever made. I even ate a big piece of it, and I'm not very into cakes, and I think everybody was quite happy. I hope you enjoy this fall and apple themed birthday preparation, and I hope it will inspire you to spruce up a little bit your home with fall decor, natural fall decor or not. Subscribe to this channel if you want more gluten-free content. Of course, leave me a little thumbs up to celebrate. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook or Pinterest. It's all down below in the description box. I send you all my gluten-free blessings. Happy fall. Bye.